any instances of such illegalities.
Kaseng Trinamool Congress kan omya Aireng sa Ilekshon KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council baga Jainta Hills Autonomous District Council belabo men pelong ka arpuwe terik urimpang. Unong yalam kaliang persya ubadeiru Menteri Rang Ba Berim u Dr. Mukul Sang Maulaong baga TMC kelarai ban omya kun hakani ke election hadi bela Shim Jingkhein ya ke Jinglong Jingman. Ula banjur halor kumno ban penklanya kaseng kamtam nadu tenrai.
We have taken a conscious decision that it is not necessary for us to fight every election, particularly district council election, because we are revisiting as to how to further strengthen the party, particularly in the grassroots level. Because in absence of proper organization at the grassroots level, it is very important for us to ensure that we look at the practical, rather the ground reality at the ground zero, and it is almost like deciding not to put the cart before the horse.
Director